Hi students, how are you all? Are you all okay? Are you interested to study identities? Yes, some of you are happy maybe, but some others I feel that it's little tough for you, but it will be okay with our online class. Okay, so before we start, let us ask the blessings of Almighty God upon us. Let us close our eyes and pray for God's blessing. Yes, students, the other day we were discussing, the last problem was using the calendar. We had taken the calendar and the square of 4 numbers, and we found out, we multiplied the diagonal numbers and found out the difference. Okay, now we are going to see next problem is the unchanging relation in class Z. Please keep in mind. Now you look here, this number. Okay, this is multiplication table. This is the multiples of 1, 2, 3, etc. Up to 9 it is written. Okay, so 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, then 3 ones are 3. Okay, it goes like this, and this is of 2. Okay, how will you write? You write 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So this way it is gone. So here also it continues like that. Multiples of 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. Now you have to consider here. Now let us see the relation here how it is. Before we saw the calendar. Okay. Here let us see the square of numbers. Let us consider this number. Okay. Any 4 numbers, square of 4 numbers. So let us see first see example. What is given in the textbook. Okay, this also when you get the textbook you can see. First one given here is 12, 15, 16, 20. Okay, this 4 numbers. Okay, 12, 15, 16, 20. Let us rewrite again. 12, 15, 16 and 20. Okay, what do we have to do? We have to take the diagonal again, but instead of multiplying, finding the product, we have to add these numbers. Instead of multiplying here, we have to add the diagonal numbers. So here 12 plus 20 is equal to how much? 32. Okay. Now 16 plus 15, 16 plus 15 is equal to 31. Okay. Now what is the difference? The difference between 32 minus 31 is equal to 1. Okay. Keep in mind the difference what we get here is 1. Now next example what is given here? We have to see one more example. Okay. 35, 40. Yes, this 4 numbers. Okay, square of 4 numbers. 35, 40. I am writing the other number. 35, 40, 42 and 48. Okay. Now again add the diagonal numbers. 35 plus 46 is how much? 81. Okay. And these two numbers 42 plus 40 is equal to 82. And what is the difference? 82 minus 81 is equal to 1. Now in both cases we go to the difference 1. Right? Okay. Now let's see. We can make it a general principle or general equation in algebraic form. We have found out in calendar we wrote x plus 1. You remember x plus 1, x plus 7 and x plus 8. Do you remember? Yes. Okay. Now same way here also we are going to make make an equation in an algebraic form. Okay, how to look carefully. Now you see, let us consider the number 4, 5, 8, 10. Okay, the square of 4, 5, 8, 10. Now just look here. How will we get 4? 4 is 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Okay, now how you get 5? 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Next 8. 8 is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. And 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So I am just writing only 4, 5, 8 and 10. You have to listen. You have to have concentration so much, otherwise you will make mistake. So this 4 how we get 4, 8, 5, 10. All this how we will get the product of two numbers. Okay, these are product of two numbers, that is 1 and 4. Here 2 and 4. Here 1 and 5. 2 and 5. So product of two numbers we get a different number. That is what we have written here. Okay. Now you see here, this 4 is the same, right? Now you will get, if you continually, if you look, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. It goes on like that. Okay. So 4 remains the same. Okay. But here what happens? Value increases. Here 1, 2, next will be 3, 4, 5, it goes on like that. 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 4, 12, we will get. Here also you look, the value here is 5 and 5 will be the same going on, multiples of 5. But here the number changes. Okay, is it clear? Understanding? Okay. These numbers are product of two numbers, and here you have to look, see here in this 2. This is a multiplication table, only 2 I have written. So here this 1, 2, 3 increases, yes or no? But here this is the same, 4 will be the same. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3 increases, changes, but 5 is the same. Okay, so here I am giving a value. Okay, I give, for 1 I give y and 4 I give x. Okay. Y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. Yx. Alright. Then how will I write the next one? Now what is the similarity between this y? Here y is 1. Here what happens? It is 2. So can I write y plus 1? Yes. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Here it was y. Here next is 2. So y plus 1. Then x is changing, 4 is the same. So into x. Okay? Is it clear? Yeah. Now here, this part is over. Now let's see here. Here you look. What happens here? Here also you are giving y. Y is 1. Now what happened here? It is 5. Here we gave, for 4 we gave x. Okay? Keep in mind, x was is equal to 4. Okay, here what happens? It became 5. So how will I write in relation with the x? It is x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1. Alright, here x was 4. Now here it is 5. This is 5. Okay, so in connection with the x, when we relate with the x, we can say that this is 4 and this is 5. 1 is increased. So x plus 1. Okay. Next one, 2 into 5. Here what we wrote for 2? 2 we wrote y plus 1. And 5 is the same. So we can write x plus 1. Alright. Now if I write one more number here, how will you write here? 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And 3 into 5 is equal to 50. Okay, how will you write that relation? Here we can write it is y plus 1, y plus 2 into x. Here how will you write y plus 2 into x plus 1. Okay, I hope it is getting clear to you. So now we have to make a comparison. We have to find out an algebraic equation. Okay. Now let us see first here. Let us add the diagonals. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 8 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. And the difference 14 minus 13 is equal to 1. Okay. This is what we got all the problems when we were taking the square of 4 numbers. We got from here. Now let's see when we do the algebraic equation. When you simplify it, you have to see whether they are getting the same or not. So I am going to rewrite once again. Okay. Yx y plus 1 into x. Here y into x plus 1, here y plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay. Why I wrote only this 4 is square of 4 numbers. Okay. Now here I have to add. See, yx plus here whatever we have, you have to see y plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, first let us do this one. So what do we get? Yeah, we have here yx, but here you saw multiplication. These two are there, we have to multiply. Y into x, y into x, y into 1. Here 1 into x, 1 into 1. Okay, y into x, how much? Yx. Y into 1, y. 1 into x, x. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Now adding this all this together, what will get? Yx plus yx, how much? 2yx. Then plus y plus x plus 1. So this is the first one. First one is this first diagonal. Okay. Now second one you see. Y plus 1 into x plus y into x plus 1. Okay. Now you have to multiply the same way. 1 into x and 1 into x. Y into x, yx, 1 into x, x plus this plus y into x, yx, y into 1, y. So adding this one, what will get? Yx plus yx, 2yx. Then x is there, y is there. X plus y. This is the second one. Okay. Now what we have to do? We found out we added the diagonals. Okay. We added the diagonals. Now we have to find out the difference. So I am going to rewrite it here. Going to rewrite. Yes, we have 2yx plus y plus x plus 1 minus another one 2yx plus x plus y. Okay, and you see it has to subtract. So what sign will change? 2yx plus y plus x plus 1 minus 2yx minus 2yx. Minus into x, minus x. Minus into y, minus y. Okay? Now this 2 plus 2yx and minus 2yx will get cancelled. Plus y and minus y will get cancelled. Plus x and minus x will get cancelled. Now what do we have? 1. Okay? So we have found out the algebraic equation. Okay? Using the algebraic equation, we have found out that when the multiplication table is given and when we take the square of numbers and when we add the diagonals and subtract or find the difference, what do we get? 1. Okay?